Hello everybody, this is Mandy at Laugh and Grackle, and we are having our animal familiars tonight, so let's get started.
The Chariot reverse. There might be some feelings of unhappiness and something overwhelming us. I feel like this is taking place in the home, things are just everywhere and we don't know even how to begin. The Hanged Man reverse. This is someone who isn't pulling their weight. They aren't giving 100% of themselves in a good effort. They have to give the same effort in order to get things done, even if their partner is there, as if their partner is not. The Magician upright. They can do it and they can change, but now it only means is if they are willing to do this change. It's only their willpower and their willingness to do this correction.
The Chariot in reverse. That we've got some things that we're not real happy about. And, it's kind of overwhelming us in how we deal with things. And what I'm getting out of this is like taking place in the home. And whenever we have everything everywhere, we just, our minds can't focus. So we need to get things in order, which brings order to our lives. Now, the Hangman in reverse. This is about somebody who's not giving it all, their all. And, in order to sit there and to really get things done, we have to do that. We have to give it our all. And, whenever we don't have other people that are doing the same things, it really becomes a problem. Because if we're giving 100% and our partner is only giving 20%, who do you think is going to that's going to get put on? Exactly. So, we got to have people on the same page as us. And, because that's a drain on our energy, a drain on our finances, a drain on our personal energy. And, they've got to be able to do things to pick up that slack. Now, the Magician, he's in the upright position. And this lets us know that they're able to do it and they can change, but are they willing to change? And, that can become a serious problem. We've got to be willing to make this correction in our lives in order to, get the things in our life in there, in the order. So we are going to be having our Earth and Bone and our Wild Moon tomorrow. So come on back and see me. Do like and shares, and I'll see you guys then.